Good Wednesday morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on weather-wise around the area and the country right now. We see a big wedge of high pressure in place for us that will keep us dry over the next couple of days. Conditions will be pleasant out there today because dew points are going to be nice and comfortable. But we do have a front that'll be moving in and kind of interacting with this high pressure. Will remain dry, but it'll bring in some moist air back into the area, and that'll get the dew points climbing back up again and actually cause the temperatures to increase as well, as winds will shift out of the southwest and we will climb back into the 90s and into the mid 90s by Saturday. Let's go ahead and take a look closer at the Gulf right now, as we have just this one system left in terms of in the Atlantic area, in the Atlantic basin in the Gulf right now, and that is in the Gulf of Mexico. It's got about a 20% chance of development right now. We're continuing to keep an eye on it. You see it's not really showing up on radar anywhere because of the location of the circulation right now, but there are some showers and thunderstorms out along the area, and starting to get into some of the U.S. radar locations is some rain over off the coast of Florida, not associated with this, but just to give you an idea of how far up these things have to come. They have to come right in here before the radars off the coast of the United States will start to pick them up, and the satellites and all that. So let's go ahead and get back in closer to home now, and we'll take a look at temperatures and everything closer to home. We've got mostly clear skies out there right now to start the day off. And let's go ahead and turn on the temperature data real quick here and give it a moment to load. And we'll see what the temperatures are around the area. And you can see starting off in the 50s and 60s, 57 degrees in Salisbury to start the day off. And dew points are in the 50s as well, mid 50s, 55 degrees. We'll talk more about the dew points in just a moment. But let's go back to the air temperature, 57 degrees, again, to start the day off in Salisbury, mid to upper 50s around the county, depending on your location. And look, we're not too far off from what Boone is coming in at 55 degrees. So almost as cool as the mountains are. If you head out to the south and east, there you see Monroe coming in at 68, the warm spot on the map. Let's go ahead and take a quick break. We'll get a word from our friends at Paterson Farm. We'll come back. We'll give you the 5-day forecast and more. All that's coming up right after the break.
Hi, this is Michelle Paterson. During these uncertain times, everything is changing constantly. We are working hard to adapt in any way that we can. We know many of you, unfortunately, will probably not be able to come out and visit our farm this season. So for the first time ever, Paterson Farm Market and Tours is offering a virtual tour experience. Here at the farm, we believe agricultural education is essential, and we strive to educate our community about how important agriculture is to our everyday lives.
Like all of our tours, each student will receive an activity book, a farm takeaway, as well as the materials needed to do a guided hands-on activity. We will deliver the students' kits to schools within a 25-mile radius. For schools further, there may be an additional fee. Our virtual tours will last approximately 1 hour. We are working on seasonal and non-seasonal virtual tours. This way, you will be able to virtually visit our farm year-round. If you are still able to come to the farm, we would love to have you. We are following all the current CDC guidelines, so we are limiting the amount of students per each tour. To book a virtual or on-site tour, check out our website at visitpatersonfarm.com. Virtual tour dates will be posted soon.
Weather impacts for today, sponsored by Paterson Farm. The virtual tour is going on now. You saw the details during the break. To book your virtual tour, visit patersonfarm.com. Today, we've got sunny skies during the day. Winds will be out of the north at around 5 miles an hour. Mostly clear skies this evening. And you can see the tropical systems now as far as names go. We've gone through Anna. We've gone through Bill. The next named storm would be Claudette. Could be that one in the Gulf. We'll continue to keep an eye on it. But again, not real promising at the moment, but we've gone through 2 names out of the possible names for the 2021 Atlantic season, so we'll continue to keep an eye on it. Pacific season being a little bit more productive right now. They're working on their 4th name out in the Pacific, so a little bit more productive out in the Pacific and not so much here in the Atlantic at this point, but we'll continue to keep you updated. The dew points, as I said, 55 degrees outside right now, making it pleasant. They'll warm up just a little bit, but we're probably going to stay in the comfortable range as we go through today. And then we start to see more higher dew points as we go through the remainder of the week. And we could very well get back into those oppressive levels. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that. The Pollen Outlook, sponsored by Goodnight's Lawn Care. They provide services like mowing, trimming, seeding, mulch, pine straw, and other various services. These guys take care of my lawn, and I love it. They were just here yesterday and did another fantastic job once again. Main pollen drivers are walnut, mulberry, and grasses. And you see that we're going to have medium levels of pollen right through the weekend. If you'd like to set up something with Goodnight's Lawn Care, give them a call, 980-521-1937. The mowing forecast looks good through Friday. The only cautionary tale I would give you is the fact that we're going to get warmer. We're going to get back into the 90s. So make sure that if you're out and about working today, certainly hydrate, but you're going to need to hydrate more on Thursday and Friday than you would today with the air temperatures and the dew points getting much higher as we go through the remainder of the week. The mosquito forecast, we've got high levels of activity overall for the mosquito forecast. Chance for some medium levels on Friday before returning back to high levels again for the weekend. The 5-day forecast, sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you saw they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County Weather. They'll give you $25 off your first time service call. Today we'll see sunny skies, high of 83, mostly clear skies this evening, low of 56. On Thursday, sunny skies, high of 83, clear skies Thursday evening with a low of 59. The heat is back on Friday. We'll see sunny skies, 91 degrees for the high, mostly clear skies Friday evening with a low of 68. On Saturday, partly sunny skies, high of 95. We'll see mostly cloudy skies Saturday evening with a low of 70. And then on Sunday, we'll see partly sunny skies, high of 90, 30% chance of isolated showers and thunderstorms Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening with a low of 70. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather at any time, you can visit us on our website, www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can check us out on cable television, WSRG TV in Salisbury. That's available on Hotwire Channel 394, Spectrum Channel 16. We'll keep you updated there as well. For now, enjoy your Wednesday. And as always, thank you for following Rowan County weather.